For example, I have a special requirement in such a way that this invoice number and this payment status need to be joined together. In the sense, in such a way that I say that 1250, that is the invoice number, is hold. Like this I would like to write. Okay, each and everywhere I would like to do this one. In the sense, 1237 is 50% paid. Like this I would like to join them. How to join them? We have one formula to join, that is nothing but a concatenate formula, equal to con. If you type con, concatenate, double click on that, concatenate. Okay, first text, that is nothing but an invoice number, is select invoice number. Okay, then comma. Now it is comes to a second text. What is the second text here? First text is the invoice number, second is the is. It is not there in your data, so we need to enter manually. How to enter manually? We have to take a double quote, space, is, again space, close the double quote, so that 1250 space is, space will be entered, comma, then third text is here, is the payment status. We have to select that hold. Okay, first text is the invoice number selected, second one we given manually because this is not there, is not there, so we given a manually in a double quote, comma, selected a hold, close the bracket, enter. So you can see, if you drag it down, corner, go to corner, select and drag, you will get it for all the invoices. Okay, if you like to join them together, we will be using this particular technique. There's a concatenate formula.